My name's Dean from Motion ATM. Today we're going to show you how to install your 8000R upgrade kit and or 8000R keypad, and we're going to show you how to program it. First thing you're going to do is take everything out of the box. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to upgrade an 1800 SE. In your keypad upgrade kit, you're going to have a power adapter cable with some screws, you're going to have a keypad, and you're going to have a bracket. If you're upgrading anything besides an 1800 SE, there will be a spacer included. First thing you're going to do is take the screws out and put your bracket on. After you have installed the bracket, you're going to open your machine and make sure it is powered off before installing any parts. Then you're going to put the screws in and make sure everything is snug. Once the keypad is in the machine, you are then going to connect the power adapter cables and plug it into your keypad. Then you're going to turn your ATM machine on and you're going to enter into your ATM menus. You're going to hit enter, clear, cancel, 1, 2, 3, hit operator function, and then you're going to enter your password. After you've entered the password, you're going to click host setup, key management, and you're going to make sure key and config is enabled. And then you're going to enter into master keys, yes. These keypads are all reset to default, so the secure codes are going to be all zeros. The first thing you're going to do is change the password. Password 1. For the purpose of this video, we are doing all ones. And then for password 2, we are doing all 2s for the purpose of this video. Once you have successfully changed your passwords, you're going to go to set EPP state, set removal state, active. You're going to hit cancel, and you're going to enter the IDs, set the default so they're all going to be zeros. Then you're going to add 2 IDs, it's going to be all ones. And then you're going to verify and do all ones again. Enter all 2s for the purpose of this video. And then verify all 2s again. After you have added your 2 IDs, you're going to hit cancel, cancel. Then you're going to set EPP state. You're going to enter in the IDs you just put in. So for this video, it's going to be 1s and 2s. Then change EPP state. You're going to put it in installation state. After you have done that, you're going to hit cancel, cancel, and you're going to enter back into master keys using the passwords that you set in the beginning. For this video, it's all 1s and all 2s. Then you're going to go to edit key, master key triple, master key 3, hit yes. You're going to enter your master keys, which you should receive from your processor. Then you're going to cancel, cancel, cancel. And you're all set.